Welcome to our video, 9 Powerful Essential Oils for Erectile Dysfunction, Natural ED Remedies at Work. Imagine this. You're standing at the edge of intimacy, but your body refuses to follow. The silence is deafening. The shame, crushing. Erectile dysfunction steals more than performance. It robs men of confidence, connection, and life itself. But what if nature holds the key to reclaiming your vitality? Today, we reveal the ancient oils igniting virility for centuries and how to use them to awaken your primal power. No prescriptions, no side effects, just you reborn. Let's face it, ED isn't just a bedroom issue. It's a screaming alarm bell for your overall health. Diabetes, heart disease, crushing stress. Your body is begging for help. Yet most men mask symptoms with little blue pills, only to trade one problem for another. Dependency, numbness, a hollow victory. But deep in nature's pharmacy lie forgotten solutions. Oils that don't just treat ED, but transform the root causes. Poor circulation, hormonal imbalance, and soul deep stress. Essential oils are highly concentrated extracts taken from the flowers, roots, leaves, stems, and fruits of plants. The extracts contain therapeutic properties that may help improve erectile dysfunction. These 9 warrior oils have fueled passion across millennia. Let's unlock their secrets. Number 1, Ylang-Ylang. Ylang-Ylang, the flower of flowers. Its intoxicating scent shatters anxiety, boosts testosterone, and sends blood rushing where it's needed most. Ylang-Ylang essential oil is used in aromatherapy to improve self-esteem, calm anxiety, and provide a sense of well-being, which can all interfere with healthy sexual functioning and sexual desire. How to use. Mix 5 drops with coconut oil. Massage into your lower abdomen nightly. Breathe deeply. Let it whisper to your primal self. Number 2, Clary Sage. The Spartan secret. Clary Sage balances estrogen dominance, plaguing modern men. Clary Sage essential oil may support erectile dysfunction by improving blood flow, balancing hormones, and calming the nervous system. Its ability to reduce stress, enhance mood, and create excitement for sexual activity makes a potential aid for ED caused by poor circulation and hormonal imbalances. Add to a carrier oil, apply to lower back. Reclaim your hormonal throne. Number 3, Lavender. Stress is ED's silent partner. Lavender crushes cortisol. Known for its calming and mood-stabilizing effects, lavender has been linked to improved sleep and increased sexual desire. One study found that the scent of lavender, combined with pumpkin pie, increased penile blood flow by 40%. Also, aromatherapy with lavender can reduce anxiety and boost mood, potentially supporting erectile function. Diffuse it nightly. Transform your bedroom into a sanctuary of calm and possibility. Number 4, Rosemary. Ancient Greeks crowned scholars with it, but its real power? Clearing arterial plaque for explosive circulation. Known for its antioxidant properties and stress-reducing effects in aromatherapy, rosemary may support reproductive health and improve factors like stress and anxiety that contribute to sexual dysfunction. Direct studies on rosemary essential oil's effects on male sexual health in humans are lacking, but indirect evidence suggests potential benefits. Add 3 drops to a warm bath. Let steam invigorate every vessel. Number 5, Ginger. Ginger doesn't just warm your throat. It's a nitric oxide bomb, widening blood vessels on demand. Ginger is a potent antioxidant with various health benefits, including potential support for male sexual health. Studies suggest that when combined with other ingredients like L-citrulline, ginger can help delay or reverse age-related erectile dysfunction. You can also blend with jojoba oil, massage into thighs pre-intimacy, and feel the fire. Number 6, Rose. Rose essential oil is known to improve blood flow and support the circulatory system. Studies have shown that rose oil can improve sexual dysfunction in men with depression or ED caused by SSRI antidepressants, while also boosting testosterone levels and reducing symptoms of depression. These effects may contribute to increased sexual desire and better sexual health. Add a few drops to your pillow or diffuse it to create a relaxing and sensual atmosphere. Number 7, Cinnamon. This essential oil has been traditionally used to enhance sexual performance. Its major compound, cinnamaldehyde, promotes relaxation and supports smooth muscle function, potentially benefiting erectile health. Additionally, Cinnamon has been shown to increase testosterone levels, sperm count, and sperm motility, further supporting male sexual health. Mix with a carrier oil like coconut oil and massage onto your lower abdomen for best results. Number 8. Nutmeg. Nutmeg essential oil contains aphrodisiac properties that may help improve sexual function. Additionally, its antioxidant and antidepressant effects could contribute to overall well-being, potentially enhancing libido and performance. Number 9. Patchouli. Patchouli oil is known to enhance sexual attraction and can help address erectile dysfunction through its ability to improve circulation and reduce stress. Its calming and aphrodisiac effects may make it a useful remedy in boosting libido and supporting sexual health. Now, let's discuss how to use these essential oils safely. There are a number of ways to safely use essential oils for erectile dysfunction. Number 1. Massage with carrier oil. Mix a few drops of essential oil into a carrier oil to dilute it and reduce the risk of irritation. Carrier oils include olive, argan, jojoba, and coconut oils. Gently massage the oil mixture onto your abdomen or lower back. Number 2. Diffuse in the bedroom. Use an essential oil diffuser to disperse the scent into the air. This can set the mood with a calming and therapeutic atmosphere. Number 3. Spray on bedding. Add a few drops of essential oil to water in a spray bottle and lightly mist your bedding. Number 4. Use a hot or cold compress. Add a few drops of your chosen essential oil to a hot or cold compress and apply it to your abdomen and lower back. This method can aid in relaxing muscles and improving blood flow. Number 5. Add to a bath. Add a few drops of essential oil to your bath water for a relaxing soak. The steam and aroma will help create a calming environment, while the oils may also promote circulation. There are also a few things to avoid when using essential oils. Number 1. Ingestion. Never ingest essential oils. They are highly concentrated and can cause harmful reactions or toxicity when consumed. Always dilute and use them topically or through inhalation aromatherapy methods. Number 2. Applying undiluted to skin. Never apply essential oils directly to the skin without diluting them in a carrier oil first. Undiluted essential oils can cause irritation, allergic reactions, or even burns. Number 3. Excessive use. Avoid overusing essential oils, as too much can cause adverse effects, such as headaches, skin irritation, or dizziness. Start with a few drops and increase gradually if needed. Number 4. Using on sensitive areas. Do not apply essential oils to sensitive areas, such as around the eyes, genitals, or broken skin, as they may cause irritation or discomfort. Always test them on less sensitive areas first to check for any reactions before applying more widely. Number 5. Diffusing near flames. Do not diffuse or spray essential oils near an open fire, candles, or flames. Essential oils can easily catch fire. These oils aren't magic, they're tools. Tools demand action. Will you keep ignoring your body's cries or seize control tonight? In addition to essential oils, several lifestyle changes can help manage erectile dysfunction. Number 1. Take a daily walk. A Harvard study found that walking for just 30 minutes a day can reduce the risk of erectile dysfunction by as much as 41%. Moderate intensity activities like walking and swimming have also been shown to restore sexual performance in middle-aged men with obesity and ED, making it a powerful way to enhance overall well-being and sexual health. Number 2. Prioritize a healthy diet. Research shows that diets rich in whole, natural foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and fish, are associated with a decreased risk of ED. Following a Mediterranean diet, which involves limiting or avoiding red meat, processed foods, and refined grains like white bread, can further lower your risk. As we've already made a video on top 10 superfoods for ED, go and check out this video. Number 3. Take care of your vascular system. Conditions like high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and diabetes can damage arteries, restricting blood flow to penis and leading to ED. An expanding waistline also worsens these issues. Regular checkups can help manage these risk factors and keep your vascular system, along with your heart, brain, and penis, healthy. Number 4. Control your weight. Weight management is crucial for preventing and managing ED. Research shows men with a 42-inch waist are 50% more likely to develop ED than those with 32-inch waist. Obesity increases the risk of vascular disease and diabetes, both of which contribute to ED. Losing weight improves blood flow and helps balance hormones that affect sexual health. Number 5, quit smoking. Smoking is a major cause of erectile dysfunction, ED, because it harms the blood vessels and reduces blood flow to the penis. This damage makes it harder to get and keep an erection. Quitting smoking can help improve ED by restoring healthy blood flow and reducing the harmful effects of nicotine and other toxins in cigarettes. Number 6, cut back on alcohol. Alcohol can cause erectile dysfunction, low libido, and reduce sexual pleasure by affecting hormones and brain chemicals. Heavy drinking can make it harder to get or keep an erection and may lead to anxiety or depression. Reducing or quitting alcohol can restore hormone balance and improve sexual function. Number 7, strengthen your pelvic floor. Pelvic floor muscle training, which involves exercises to strengthen the muscles that support the bladder, bowel, and genitals, can help improve erectile dysfunction, ED. Studies show that this simple approach can boost blood flow and muscle strength in the pelvic area, making it a good option alongside or instead of medication. Your ancestors didn't have Viagra. They had something better, Earth's intelligence. But knowledge without action is poison. So here's what I want you to do. Pick 1 or 2 of these essential oils and start incorporating them into your daily routine. These lifestyle changes can improve blood flow, hormone balance, and overall health, which in turn can enhance erectile function. Share this video with someone who might need this information. It could change their life. Subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have more natural solutions coming your way. Remember, your health, your confidence, and your relationships deserve the best. And nature has already provided the answers. You just need to take the first step. Until next time, stay healthy, stay confident, and embrace the power of natural healing.